Are you happy? Is it Tagalog? No, Bisaya. I'm Cebuano. I'm from Cebu. Yeah, I'm from Visayan. From Cebu. My language is Cebuano. Uh, how about you, MD? How about you, MD Blue? Where you? Where in the Philippines? Where in the Philippines? Why? What happened? Why you buy? It's so sad. You left my channel. But it's okay.
Ay, hindi ka.